start the class. Now I am reciting one rhymes. You are all sing with me with action. Okay, let us start. बारिश आई छम छम छम, बारिश आई छम छम छम, लेके छाता निकले हम, लेके छाता निकले हम, फिर फिसल गया गिर गए हम, फिर फिसल गया गिर गए हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम. Let us recall next. Okay, let us once again we will reciting that rhymes. Okay, all of you follow with me, sing with me. बारिश आई छम छम छम, बारिश आई छम छम छम, लेके छाता निकले हम, लेके छाता निकले हम, फिर फिसल गया गिर गए हम, फिसल गया गिर गए हम, फिर फिसल गया गिर गए हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम. Okay, okay. Are you enjoy? Have you enjoyed? Okay. Let us start the class writing part. Okay.
छम 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 लेकर छाता निकले हम, बारिश आई छम 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 लेकर छाता निकले हम, पैर फिसला गिर गए हम, नीचे छाता ऊपर हम. बारिश आई छम 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 लेकर छाता निकले हम, बारिश आई छम छम छम.
Today I am taking writing skill. Okay. In writing skill we learn cursive small letters. Already dear children, already we are learned small letter cursive letter from A to F. Okay. Let us recall once time. We already learned these letters. Which one? Small a, small cursive a, small cursive B, small cursive C, and small cursive D, and small cursive E, and small cursive F, and small cursive G. Okay, let us remaining part. Let us learn which we are already learned that letters. We will recall again now. Okay, start from here. Take one curve, take one slanting line curve and go upside. This is small letter A. And next go upside. Take 2 finger distance. You should take 2 finger distance. Okay. Next start from here. Slanting line, come down side, go up and like this. Okay. Take small curve and you should touch second line. Means head line. Start from third line and go upside and little bit move and come down side and go like this. Okay, this is small letter B. Next we will move small letter C. You should take 2 finger or 3 finger distance and make next right letter C. Okay, letter C. Start from a tail, like tail, slanting line. Next take 2 finger distance T and take 2 finger distance E. Okay. Next take 2 finger distance F. Okay, start from, listen carefully. You start from, I will show you how to write small cursive letter G. Let us start. Okay, Makla? Ready? All of you ready? Yes. Start from third line. Means baseline and go with slanting line, make one curve and come down side and like this. Okay, do like this. Okay, take 2 or 3 finger distance. We will write again that letter. We will write again that letter. Stand, take with slanting line and come curve down side and make one circle and standing line and little bit move, go upside. G. Next, take 3 finger distance, slanting line, make curve, circle, standing line and little bit move, go upside like this type. Okay, slanting line, make curve and join this line on count down side and go upside. G. It's very easy, don't worry. Go with slanting line, make one curve and go upside, come downside and up. This is the way small letter. This is the way writing small letter G. Next letter. We will move next letter. What is the next letter, children? Yes, come on, tell me. G next, which letter? Yes, H. Small H. G next, H. Okay. I will show you how to write H. Okay. Again we will go with slanting line and touch the upper zone. Touch upper zone and move little bit, move, come down side and touch 3 line and go again that line on that line and make one curve and downside and like this. Do like this, lift it up like this. We will say tail and bun. Okay. Next, take 2 or 3 finger distance. You should take 3 finger distance. Let's start. Start from this line means baseline. Okay, go with slanting line and little bit more. Come down side, go upside and come down. Yes. Which letter? H. Okay. Next, we will move next. Take 3 finger distance. Start from slanting line. Okay, go upside, come downside, and again we will go that line and come down like this. Do like this. This is H. Next we will move. Okay, next time. We will go move next time. We will practice next time. Take 3 finger distance. Go with slanting line and touch upper zone and come downside like this. Do like this, okay? Remove and like this, sorry. Do like this. Come downside and go up, come down. Yes, do like. You should practice like. Next, we will take 3 finger distance. Start from here and go upside and touch the line upper zone, come down and go up and come. Yes, this is cursive H. Do you got it how to write cursive H? Yes, you are all very smart. Okay, next we will move next letter. Which is the next letter? H next, which letter? H next. Go with slanting line, small slanting, only 2 line touch. Okay, Maklan? Okay, come down side and put one dot. Already we are learned how to write cursive I. Okay, you should practice in more and more time in your home. Okay, next we will move next letter. Which is the next letter? I next. Yes, come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. Yes. Yes, I next. J. Okay, start from this line. Means 3rd line. Okay, start from 3rd line. Take with slanting line and come down. Touch the lower line and little bit move. Go upside like this. Do like this. Okay. Go upside and put one dot on the standing line. J. Okay. Next I will show you how to write J. Once again I will show you how to write J. Take 3 finger distance. Take a small curve, come down side and touch the lower line and go up and make one dot. Put the one dot. Next we will practice. Again we will practice J. Take 3 finger distance. Go with slanting line and come down side and touch the lower zone. Okay, go upside. Do like this. You should move and make one, put one dot. This is cursive J. Next we will move. Take 3 finger distance. Once again we will practice J letter. Start from slanting line and start from this third line. Okay, let's come down side. Observe neatly children and touch the 4 line and touch on the 4 line means lower zone and go upside and put one dot. Next, take 3 finger distance. Go with slanting line, come downside and come downside, touch the lower zone, go upside and make one dot or draw or put one dot. Okay, this is the small letter G. Already we are learned how to write small letter J. Okay, next we will move next letter. What is the next letter? What is next letter of J? Yes, J next. Yes, tell me. J next, which letter? K. Yes, K letter. Okay, I will show you how to write small letter K. Look at the board. Start from baseline, means third line. 1, 2, 3. Third line. Start from third line and go with slanting line. Touch the upper zone line. Upper zone. Okay. And again, you should take one curve, come downside, touch 3 line, you touch on 3 line and go up that line and make 2 curve. Okay. Okay. Are you understand how to write? Have you understand how to write K? Yes, look at the board. And take 3 finger distance, go with slanting line, touch the upper zone line and come again downside with the standing line, go on that line and make 2 curve like this. Cursive K. Next we will move. Next we will move next time. Okay, we will practice next time. Go with slanting line, come downside and go again like that line. Make 2 curve like cursive K. Take 3 finger distance. Go with slanting line and come downside, touch 3 line, go on that line and make 2 curve. This is cursive K. One more time we will practice. Take 3 finger distance, go with slanting line and come again downside and do 2 curve and like this. This is cursive small letter K. Okay, we are practice how to write cursive small letter K. I, J, K. K next, L. L is very easy. Okay, let us move. Let us start writing L letter. How to write small letter L. Look at the board. We start from third line, means baseline. Take the slanting line and go upside and come downside like this. L. Okay. Once again we will practice. Take 3 finger distance. Go with slanting line and come downside like. This is L. Take 3 finger distance. Next we will practice. Go with slanting line, come downside and like. This is L. Take 3 finger distance. Go with slanting line, little bit more, come downside, touch the 3 line and like this. L. Take 3 finger distance. Go with slanting line and come again downside. L. Okay. We are already practiced I, J, K, L. Next we will move L next. M. You should practice in one letter in your home. Okay children. And you should practice more and more time. Because this is the way how to write small letter I, J, K, L. You should learn this. Next. M. Which letter? M. We will move M letter. Start from third line with slanting line. Which line? finger distance. Start from slanting line and come downside. Again you will go on that line and make 2 curve M like this. Take 3 finger distance. Start from slanting. Now I will show you how to write cursive letter in 4-line notebook. Let us start. This is upper line and this one is headline and this one is base line and this one is lower line. Upper, headline, base line and lower line. Let me start cursive F letter. How to write? I will show. Start from 3rd line, means base line. You should take like this. Okay, go with slanting line. When you are writing cursive letter, you should write start from slanting line. Okay, which one, whatever it may be, whatever letters you will write, you should start from here. Start from slanting line. Okay, take slanting line and come downside, and again touch the 4 line, and again you will go next. And upper zone, make one small, okay, like this. Okay, this is letter F. Take 2 finger distance. Start from slanting line and come downside, touch the 4 line and go up, and like this. Cursive F. Again we will practice. Okay, take 2 finger distance. Don't write nearby letters. Take 2 finger distance. Take 2 finger distance. Let us start. Starting this line, okay. Go upper zone. Touch the upper zone and come downside. Touch it lower line. Okay. This one is lower line. Lower line. Go upside and make one small curve like this. Cursive F. Okay. Let us start next time. Go with slanting line, come downside, touch the 4 line and go again upside, make like this. Yeah. Go with slanting line, come downside and touch this line and one circle. Yeah, cursive F. You should practice this letter more and more time. Otherwise, one page full of F. You should practice this letter 1 page. Next, we will move next letter. Next letter is G. Okay, start from here. You should start from 3rd line. Take with slanting line and make small curve and join this line and come downside. Touch the lower zone. Go upside like. Okay. Okay. Next, we will move next time. Take one finger or 2 finger distance and then you will write. Start from 3rd line, start with slanting line and make small curve and join it and come downside, go upside. Okay, G. Take 2 finger distance and write. Start from slanting line, come downside and join this line and come downside, go upside like this. Okay, G. Take 1 finger distance or 2 finger distance. Start from this line, go with slanting line and make one curve, join this line, come downside, go upside. And again, slanting line, come downside, join the line and come downside, make one circle and come downside, little bit move, go upside. Yes, G. Next we will move H letter. How to write H letter? Look here. Okay. We should start from here. Third line means baseline. Start from slanting. Again you will start. You should start from a slanting line and come down side. Go that line. Come down. Make like this. Okay. H. This is H letter. It is H letter. Okay. Start from here. Go upside. Go with slanting line. Go upside. Little bit more. Come down side. Go at that line. Come and make one curve like this. Like. Next. Take 1 or 2 finger distance. Go with slanting line. Touch the upper line. Come down side and go again that line and come down and make like this. H. Go with slanting line. Touch the upper zone. Come down side. Go that line and come down. Like. Okay. You should practice this letter 1 page full. All those are letters you are writing. You should practice it 1 page full. I will show you next letter. How to write I. Okay, start from here. Start from here. Take with slanting line. Small slanting line. Touch second line, okay? You should touch this line, okay? And come again and make like this. Put 1 dot. Take 2 finger distance. Again you go slanting line, come down side and put 1 dot. I. Again you should go from baseline and come down side. Make like this. Okay. Slanting line, come down side, put 1 dot, I letter. Okay. Right from third line, with slanting line, down side, 1 dot. Okay. Next letter, J. I will show you J. How to write J. Okay. Here is third line. Okay. Okay. Start from third line, go upside, touch this line, head line, and come again downside and little bit move, go upside and put 1 dot, J. Okay. Take 2 finger distance. Start from slanting line, come downside and go upside, 1 dot, J. Okay. Take 2 finger distance, start from this, come downside and go upside, 1 dot. Next. Take 2 finger distance, start from here and come downside and touch the 4 line, go upside, 1 dot. Again. Start from slanting line, come downside and go up and dot. Put 1 dot. This is J letter. Now we learn how to write F, G, H, I, J letter. Next we will move K. How to write K. Okay. Listen carefully, Makla. Listen carefully. We should start from. Okay, I will show you K letter. How to write K letter. Okay. We should start from third line. Go with slanting line and come downside and go again that line upside and make 2 curve like this. This is K. Observe this how to writing. Okay. Next. Take 2 finger distance. Go with slanting line. Touch the upper zone. Come downside and again you will go that and make 2 curve K. You will make like this. Okay, you will write like this. Okay. Next. Go with slanting line, touch the upper line, come downside, again upside, come down, make 2 curve, 1 small tail. Go with slanting line, come downside, again go up and come down. Okay, this is finished. Okay, down, up, down, and small tail. You should touch two line only. Listen carefully, makla. M bariyuvaga 1, 2 line matra touch ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Go with slanting line and come down side, up, down. And listen carefully. When you are writing cursive small letter, you should start from slanting line. Listen, look at this. All are slanting line. All are go with slanting line. Okay? Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. Okay? In cursive letter, when you are writing letters, you should start from slanting line. Now we are writing N. Okay. Start from third line, come down side, up, down, and make one small tail. Again we will practice. Go with slanting line, come down side, and go up. You should touch only two line. Here is this a little bit mistake. Okay. Go with slanting line, touch this upper headline, come down side, go up, down, make small curve. And again we will practice again this letter. Go with slanting line, come down side and go up and down. Listen, look at here, look here. I only touch two line, okay? You also touch two line. Don't go upside and don't come downside. You should touch two line only. Okay. Next, start from slanting line, come downside and come upside, downside. Okay. Okay. Next letter. Dear children, you should practice this letter again and again in proper way in your notebook and write neatly. Dear children, you should practice these letters proper way. Okay? We will meet next class. Bye. Take care. Stay home.